How to add house name on Google Maps. So you can just search your home at the search bar, or if you are on your home, you can just zoom in and then tap on your home. And then you want to scroll down and tap on add a missing place. And then right here, you can place your name, for example, Sena's house, and choose the category, choose as residential, choose anywhere that's suitable for you. And then you can type in your address right here. And you can also edit your map location just to make sure that you are on the right house. Then click done. And then you can add your locate within. And then choose submit. And keep in mind that when you submit, it will not appear right away because it will take a while for Google to double check on your submission. And what you can do is check on daily on your email account, because Google Maps will contact you there if your submission is approved or not. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.